If you're feeling stiff and achy, a little lack of mobility, sometimes you just need a little adjustment in your low back. Really simple to do. I'm going to show you 3 simple cracks that you can do safely on your own. Really going to help with that. So for the first one, really simple, really effective. All you do, put your hands behind your back. You extend your head all the way as long as it feels comfortable. You can take both your arms, lift. Second one, really simple. All you're going to do, put the leg over the top, brace with your hand, arm comes across, and pull. This one's a little funky for the low back. Lock the leg, and just roll, and let it fall. See what works best for you. Comment below which one's the best.